Alright, now to see if I get this. I took this apart, tried everything out. I went across the circuit boards on both sides with an eraser, cleaned the terminals. Everything's dry, and put it back together. Put the batteries back in, see if it stops clicking. Hopefully this does the job. I don't have to buy a remote. It was when you drop a Roku remote in water, it just starts clicking and the volume stays up all the way and it never stops clicking until you take the batteries out. So hopefully this is the fix for it. So far so good here.
I'll go upstairs and take a look up there. See if there's any way to secure this thing. It's very difficult to get those off.
There we go. Roku remote fixed. Ta-da! There we go. Don't have to buy a remote. That's how you fix a Roku remote.